Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to enable dark mode on Microsoft Word. So let's get started. Normally, you can open the personalization by clicking left and selecting the Personalize option, but if it's not working for you, there is a simple solution for it. Start by going to the Start menu and in the search bar, type CMD. Left-click on it and click on Run as Administrator to open the command prompt. Once the command prompt is opened, type the command dism.exe/online/cleanup-image/restore health. Hit Enter to run the command. This dism command may take some time to complete. Once the process is completed, your problem should be fixed. You can now open the Personalization menu again. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, subscribe for more content like this. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.